All right, so are you ready to jump into this? Today, we're diving into the world of selling books on Amazon.
Sounds good to me.
I bet you have a lot of listeners out there who either dream of becoming an author
Hmm.
or maybe they're just looking for a fun way to make some extra cash
Yeah.
and they love books.
Right.
Well, today we're going to break it all down, show them how to make real money in the Amazon book market.
Okay.
Our guide for this deep dive is How to Make Money Selling Books on Amazon.
Okay.
It's by Publications. And whether you're, like I said, an aspiring author or just a book enthusiast looking for entrepreneurial avenues, this book is packed with practical advice.
Interesting.
Now, one of the things that really jumped out at me when I was reading this guide was the potential to earn 70% in royalties
Wow.
for ebooks
Great.
published through Amazon KDP.
Go.
That's Kindle Direct Publishing. That's
Mhm.
pretty amazing.
Yeah, that is a big percentage. It's not
Yeah.
just a straight percentage, though. There are some, costs and fees involved. But still, that potential is huge.
It is. It is.
What I find fascinating about Amazon is it's not like a one-size-fits-all marketplace.
Right.
It offers these multiple paths to success.
I like that.
So it caters to different interests, different levels of commitment.
So you can choose your own adventure.
Exactly. It's like choosing your own adventure in the book-selling world.
And this guide, it really lays it all out there. Like, it gives you four main avenues.
Okay.
So first, you can become a self-published author
Look.
through Amazon KDP, right?
Yeah.
Second, you can kind of dive into this world of used and new books.
Like on the Amazon Marketplace?
Yeah, on the Amazon Marketplace. That's a big one. It is. And then you can also explore the world of print on demand.
Print on demand is interesting.
So you're creating custom books, journals, things like that. And then finally, if you're a true bibliophile,
Oh, here we go.
there's the option of selling rare or collectible books.
I love that.
So it's like a treasure hunt, right?
Exactly.
Mhm.
And that's where the guide really encourages you to kind of think about, what really appeals to you.
You're right.
You got to think about your passions, your skills, how much time, how much energy are you really willing to invest in this?
Yeah. It's about finding the right fit.
Exactly. Do you have a story burning inside you that's just waiting to be told? Are you like a master bargain hunter,
Yes.
with an eye for those hidden gems? Or maybe you just love, you're a design enthusiast. You love creating beautiful journals and planners.
No, here's the thing. No matter what path you choose,
Yeah.
the guide really emphasizes one crucial element, and that's finding your niche.
Your niche,
It's not just about selling any books. It's about selling the right books
to the right people.
to the right audience.
Exactly.
You got to figure out what those are.
It's like finding your gold mine within the vast Amazon jungle,
Oh, I like that.
And just like any savvy prospector, you need the right tools. And thankfully, Amazon itself
Oh, good.
provides some amazing resources.
Yeah.
So check out, for example, their bestsellers and their hot new releases lists.
Okay.
These are like treasure maps
Oh, cool.
that point you towards what's currently in demand.
So you can actually see what readers are really buying right now.
Exactly.
And that gives you a sense of like the hot topics, the genres.
It does. It really does. And if you want to dig even deeper, there are some really powerful tools out there, like Publisher Rocket and Helium 10.
Oh, yeah, I've heard of those.
These platforms allow you to analyze keywords. They assess market competition. So you can really pinpoint those kind of hidden pockets of profitability.
So it's like taking the guesswork out of it. You're using data to make strategic decisions.
You got it.
The guide lists some of the, the tried and true like self-help, business and finance, health and wellness. Those are kind of always in demand, right?
Yeah, those are the big ones.
But I was surprised by how much potential there is in fiction,
Oh, yeah.
especially fantasy, sci-fi, and children's books.
It makes sense when you think about it.
Right.
Those genres really tap into our imagination. They offer an escape.
That's true.
And even within those broad categories, you can find countless sub-niches.
Oh, so it's like, instead of just fantasy, maybe you're looking at dragon romances
Yes.
or urban fantasy with a paranormal twist.
Exactly. So it's about getting granular, finding that sweet spot where your passion meets a hungry audience.
Okay. So you found your niche, you're feeling super excited about the possibilities, but now you got to figure out how to actually sell.
Right.
And the guide, thankfully, breaks down these four main selling models, each with its own unique appeal and challenges.
So it's like choosing the vehicle for your book-selling journey. You can pick a sleek sports car, a reliable minivan, or maybe even an off-road adventure truck.
Oh, I like that. I like that analogy a lot. So let's break it down. So first, we have that classic author route. The guide calls it the author selling model.
Okay.
This is for those folks out there who dream of crafting their own stories, sharing them with the world. You have that complete creative control.
You're the boss?
You get to experience that thrill of building your readership from scratch.
That's a rewarding feeling, to see people really connecting with something that you've created.
It is, it is.
And this path, it often offers the highest potential for profit because you're cutting out the middleman. But, but,
Yeah, there's a but. It's also the most demanding. You're not just a writer anymore, you're an entrepreneur.
you got to wear all the hats.
You got it. You're responsible for everything, the writing, editing, cover design, formatting, marketing. It's a labor of love, but oh, so rewarding.
And then there's the path of the savvy treasure hunter. The guide calls this retail arbitrage.
The thrill of the hunt. It is. It is. This is for people who love, like you said, that thrill of the hunt, have an eye for a good deal. So you're scouting for those discounted books at thrift stores, library sales, even online marketplaces.
I love doing that.
And then you resell them on Amazon for a profit. No writing required.
This is all about your ability to spot those undervalued books. Understanding the market trends, that's important.
Right.
It does require some initial investment to purchase the inventory.
Mm-hmm.
And you got to factor in things like storage, shipping costs, but it can be a really fun and flexible way to make money from books you love.
And then for the creative entrepreneurs out there,
Ooh, yes, tell me about it.
the guide presents two really exciting options, and I'm kind of excited about these.
All right, lay it on me.
They have private label books
Okay.
and drop shipping via print on demand.
Ooh, interesting.
So with private label books, you're essentially creating your own brand.
I see.
So think inspirational quote books, recipe collections, or even blank journals tailored to, specific audiences like yoga enthusiasts or travel bloggers. You can find pre-existing content or create your own.
That's pretty cool.
It is pretty cool. And then with print-on-demand drop shipping, you don't even have to worry about printing or shipping. You're just designing those journals, those planners, those low-content books.
So Amazon handles the rest.
Yeah, when a customer places that order.
Wow, that's super hands-off.
It is, it is. So now here's where the guide really gets tactical,
Okay.
because it dives into the actual process of creating a high-quality book,
Yeah.
whether you're writing it yourself or sourcing it for resale.
Okay, that's a good point. Quality is crucial.
And it stresses that quality is crucial
Yeah.
at every step.
I'm all about quality, I'll tell you that.
So for authors, that means investing in professional editing,
Yep.
designing a cover that pops,
British.
and then formatting that book correctly for both digital and print.
That's important. People don't always think about that, but it makes a big difference.
It does, it does. And the guide even gives some specific recommendations for tools, like Canva for cover design.
I love Canva.
It's easy to use. And Amazon's free Kindle Create tool for formatting. So there are resources out there.
There are, yeah. And for folks who are reselling, presenting your books in the best possible light is key. You need high-quality photos, clear descriptions, competitive pricing. That's essential.
Okay, so the guide's amazing. Like, it provides all this detail, like every step of the process.
It's good to have that, yeah.
But I'm curious, like, once you have your book ready to go, how do you actually get people to buy it?
Ah, yes, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
Because there are millions of books on Amazon. How do you make yours stand out?
That's where marketing comes in. And that's what we're going to be diving into in the next part of our deep dive. We'll explore all the different strategies for making your book discoverable on Amazon. Everything from keywords and ads to building an author platform and engaging with readers.
So stay tuned for part 2 of our deep dive, where we'll uncover the secrets of successful book marketing on Amazon.
It's going to be good. Welcome back. We're jumping into marketing, how to actually get your book seen amongst the millions on Amazon.
So many books. Where do we even begin? We found our niche. We chose that model, created our high-quality books.
So now we need to make them bestsellers.
That's the dream.
And the guide really emphasizes that even the most brilliant book needs a strategy to actually reach its readers.
So it's not enough just to have a good book.
Nope, not at all. It all starts with understanding Amazon's search engine. Think of it like Google, but specifically for books.
Oh, okay.
You want your book to pop up when potential readers type in certain keywords.
Keywords, those are the terms people use when they're searching for something specific.
Exactly. And the guide has some really actionable tips on keyword research. You can start by brainstorming terms related to your book's topic, genre, target audience. And then you can use tools like Sonar and Helium Pen. They're great to see which keywords have high search volume but low competition.
So you're looking for those keywords that a lot of people are searching for, but not too many other books are using?
Exactly. It's all about finding that sweet spot.
Got it.
And once you've identified those golden keywords, you need to weave them strategically into your book's title, subtitle, description, and even those back-end keywords that Amazon lets you input.
So it's not just about stuffing keywords everywhere, it's about using them in a natural and persuasive way.
You want to entice readers? Make them want to click